Welcome back to Bike Updater, your go-to channel for the latest two-wheeler updates. Today, we are diving into something fresh and exciting, the 2025 Jio Electric Bicycle. Jio is stepping into the EV space with a smart, affordable, and eco-friendly bicycle that could change the game for urban commuting in India. Let's break it down. Design and styling. The 2025 Jio Electric Bicycle sports a modern, minimalist design with clean lines and a sturdy, lightweight frame. It's available in multiple color options that appeal to young riders and daily commuters alike. Integrated LED lights, a digital display, and sleek battery placement give it a futuristic look without compromising comfort or function. Whether you're riding to work or school, this e-bike is built to turn heads. Engine and performance. Under the hood, well, technically on the rear wheel, you'll find a compact hub motor that delivers a smooth ride at speeds of up to 25 km per hour. It's powered by a removable Li-ion battery, offering a range of about 50 to 60 km per charge. With pedal assist and full electric modes, the Jio e-bike adapts to your riding needs, whether you're cruising through city traffic or enjoying a longer weekend ride. Features and technology. Jio has packed this e-bicycle with smart tech at an unbeatable price. It includes a Bluetooth-enabled digital dashboard, GPS tracking, and anti-theft alerts. The companion app gives you ride analytics and battery health updates in real time. USB charging ports, regenerative braking, and a quick charge system make it not just a bicycle, but a true smart ride. Conclusion. The 2025 Jio Electric Bicycle isn't just a mode of transport, it's a smart mobility solution designed for the future. With its attractive pricing, thoughtful features, and strong performance, it's bound to disrupt the budget EV market. That's all for today. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates right here on Bike Updater. Ride safe, ride smart.